Hello, in this session we are going to learn about Django or Django, a Python web framework. Before going to the deep introduction about Django, let me say one real-time example. WhatsApp, Instagram or even Facebook, every user will get his own interface based upon his settings. Using Django, we can create such dynamic web application, or we can even create or manage the backend database also. So what is a Django? A Django is a free and open source web application framework. It is a combination of both components and packages. It is used for creating a dynamic websites, and we can even create or manage the backend part. Django comes with model template view architecture. As we already know, servlets and JSP comes from model view controller MVC1 architecture, whereas struts and hibernates comes with MVC2 architecture. Django comes with model, template and view architecture. In my later videos, I will show how to build a static site generator, or how to build a representation static transfer, that is a REST API, or how to build a client side Django, or how to build a real-time Django application. Now, this is hello world, a sample example in Django. For every project in Django, we have to follow 4 steps. That is creating the view, the URL patterns, Django settings and running the application. The view portion typically inspects the incoming HTTP requests and queries and constructs the necessary data to send to the presentation layer. There are the URL patterns ties our view to the website structure. Django settings details everything from the database, from cache connection to internationalization, or even for static and uploading the resources, and finally running the example. So first download and run the Python latest version and check the Python version, and using pip command install Django and check the Django version. So we can have the hands-on experience on it. Go to your folder. So check the Python version. So I downloaded and installed the latest version of Python. Now install Django. So I already installed my Django. Now check the Django version. So the Django version is here. So latest version of Django. Now to start the project in Django, the command is Django admin start the project, and my project is the name of the project. So Django admin start project, name the project as my project. So we can check in your drive, a folder my project is created which contains the Python files. So we can have the directory structure also. So this is the directory structure. So what it represents? So my project is the root directory, and manage.py is the command line for interacting the Django project. And init.py is an empty file which tells the Python that this directory should be considered as a Python package. So the directory should be considered as a Python package, and settings.py contains the configuration for any Django project, and URLs contains the URL declarations, and ASGI and WSGI are asynchronous server gateway interface and web server gateway interface Python files. Now go to our project. Now run the server. Defaultly the server comes with the port number 8000 or 127.0.0.1 8000. We can even change the port number also using the command python manage.py run server 8080. We can specify our own port number. Now how we create the view? In order to create the view, we have to start an application. So that command is used, command line is used for the server. So take another command line. So type the command python manage.py start the application, and name the application as machine learning. So we can check in your D drive, a machine learning folder is created which contains the Python files. Now First, to create the view, open the application and open the file views.py. That is, open views.py. So we can create views here. So write the HTTP response, that is from django.http import the HTTP response. So define an index function which accepts the request. Hello, welcome to Machine Django app. So save the file. We just imported the HTTP response and define the index function. Now we have to create the URL in our machine learning. So create a URL file and import the path, that is from django.urls import path import the views. So we are importing the view. Now the URL patterns, specify the path views.index and specify the name. Save it in our machine learning folder and name it as URLs. Now the next step is to point the root URL. So open our project and open the URL and import the include and also specify the path for our application. Machine learning include machine learning dot URLs. Save the file. Go to Firefox and select machine learning. So hello, welcome to machine learning Django application. This is a sample example for creating a sample application in Django. Thank you.